Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're going to be making balsamic glaze. Now you really don't need much to make the balsamic glaze. You're just going to need some good balsamic vinegar. You want to use a good quality of it because it has less water and it also tastes better. We're going to take this, we're going to put it in a heavy bottom stock pot on the stove and we're going to start reducing it. Okay, we're going to get our balsamic on the stove. We're going to start this off on a medium-high heat. We want to bring this up to a simmer. Now once it comes up to a simmer, we're going to want to turn the heat down to a medium-low heat. We want to let this go until it reduces by half, but no more than 75%. Make sure you're keeping an eye on it and stirring it occasionally because you don't want anything to stick or burn to the bottom. Our balsamic is reduced. We're going to give this a little bit of a taste. Just careful, it's hot. It's perfect. It's a little sweet. If you think it's a little bit too intense and not sweet enough, you can add in a little bit of brown sugar. You can also do this with a white wine balsamic. We're going to transfer it into a little container to cool down, and it's going to thicken up a little bit more as it cools. And you can use this to top certain seafoods like shrimp, chicken, steaks, pastas. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoy what we're doing here, you can also check us out on Facebook. It's at HomeHeadChef. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Subscribe so that way you don't miss any of our recipes or our lesson videos. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.